Hey guys, in today's video is all about a game changer in my life related to studies. It's a superpower in my hands. Like I always used to wonder why did my friends score 95% and I barely score 85%. Even though we study same topic with same teacher at same time. Well, do not worry, I finally found out the reason. And it's all because of flashcards. Yup, you heard it right. In this video, I am going to tell you how to make flashcards, why they are so important, and the benefits of using them in studies. So let's dive in. Okay, here's the story. Last year, my friend scored a massive 95 plus in her exams, while I scored much lower. We studied together, took the same classes, and even studied the same material at the same time. I was so confused. One day, I finally asked her, Yaar, how did you score so much more than me? And guess what she said? She told me I used flashcards for everything. I was like, flashcards? Are you kidding, right? But trust me, when I started using them, my results completely changed. So let's talk about them now. Flashcards are super easy to make. All you need is some plain index cards or just cut up piece of paper. On the front side, write a question or a key point related to what you are studying. For example, in science, write a key concept like what is Newton's second law or a term like photosynthesis. On the back side, write the detailed answer or explanation. You can even draw diagrams or include formulas if needed. Like you might be thinking, why flashcards? This builds memory retention like nothing else. And because you keep testing yourself, you will remember the information for a longer time instead of cramming it all night just before your exam. Now, let me tell you why flashcards are so beneficial. Number one, quick revision. You can quickly go through your own flashcards while waiting for bus or even in your lunch break. Number 2, it will boost your long-term retention. Helps your brain to remember things for a longer period of time. Number 3, customizable. You can add examples, pictures and even mnemonics to make the concept more memorable. Number 4, it's like a game. Instead of reading through pages of notes, flashcards makes learning interactive and more funny to learn. Now coming back to my friend. The secret behind her 95 plus score was not just she studied more hard.
It was how efficiently she studied.
She used flashcard for like each and every subject, including maths, science, history, even for languages. She used to revise flashcard like every single day. And as exam approached, she just go to the key concept of the chapter in just 10 to 5 minutes she recalls everything. Just go to the key concept of the chapter in just 10 to 5 minutes she recalls everything. And here how you can start making flashcards. Pick one subject. Start with something like maths or science where you have lots of formulas and definition to remember. Create flashcards for important topics. Focus on key points, formulas and tricky concepts. If you start using them today only,
I promise you will see a huge difference in your results.
good luck with your studies and I will see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye.